hiding in those weak and sunken nights. Fiery thrones of muted angels giving love again to nothing like gold. People help the people to consequence behind the tears inside the lights. A thousand slowly dying sunsets. God knows what is hiding in those weak and drunken hearts. Gets alone in the scared knocking. No one needs to be alone or singing. People help the people. And if you're homesick, give me your hand and I'll hold it. People help the people. Nothing will drag you down. Oh, and if I had to bring, oh, and if I had to bring.
Good. If I see your video, I leave you. May you carry your own, they go. You say now the way I break egg for you. Pikin where you tell, say you want go root the papa ass. Pikin where you tell, say you want naked the papa and the mama. May they look you. Ekon ho waja, igbele wa. Wine gbowa, ona muwa. Eya de gbebe swenene kon ho na wamana tewanta yo. Wamana tewanta yo. Una shit una say people go forget. Una shit I dey come for the other one. Of you when you talk. Wa when you talk wa pack wa pack the same packing na wa bolla wa gbe you Facebook ni me na pack when. Wa pack wa je short skirts. Wa banua. Amila kimi agewe. Amila king agewe no mu na menya hu. E kon ho we denu wa mana temata ye mi na. Amila king wa age okwen when you talk. A pack a banua. Okwen yo. Again natural breast in there. Idenuwa. Ya igbeluwa ya fone. Ido egbe tenkia memu. Itenkia mu. Ekia ogisel. And with me, I am gifted to talk about Ekia. With my body, with my yash, my mare, obi yoba, ogberon gamurupa. Iye ma wa. Maso waya. Akwenwa yo to bere. Amila king. E de dan on Facebook in Otoge. Ubege akwenwa yo to. Umata mine gwenwe. Umata mine gwenwe. Wa wetu wa hule nu disilawa. Ma deba wa do hule nu disilawa. Ma do deba we ma bota vi wa bowie. No na sam no na pema. Oi suheron leluwa. Oi pema oi ruhere oi muamele lo leluwa. Ave bad people on the social media. Ah kaluwakwa. We gonna central talk about central. All of you are guilty. Every day they come and I give boy money. And we gonna be all of una for Italy. Una put man for us, una they feed man. Me de no wa ya ka clear no na yo tore na ide ya do to me yo. Wa ya ni gwan yo ide. Kede no wengi ma me spirit mana mo bla boy yo wa. Made, okay? Wana pay ye kia. Wana ve ladian, wana ve do agwanjo. Wani mu bia yo wa, wana ve do made no wa. Ima go wa hule no dis ave ni banu ave social media. Ma hulian, e sera ve deban odo hulu wa ba e orolide. Ore Benedon. E sera de odo deba wa. Etu wa hule no dis. Amila king, umabere. Okay, when you talk, you go packing when when my queen of Packer or packing one queen in your toto. Wamakule no this or just short skirty. A video no who know that be nadia or just short skirt or joy. When I don't work off your top, come and one work your top. Don't work your top. No waist trainer, control where mo. If na not show where me go pull everything, I'll come out. Remove one. No waist trainer. Come as you are to the kingdom of Ekia. You want to enter. You want to be sexy. Come as you are to the kingdom of Ekia. Okay? Hypocrites kill all of you now. If I don't pursue all the nudity center has finished, I can't enter my Ekia. That will go kill all of you now. Not fit talk to me again. Because why you know what rokoy ne? Una shit una do de eat them. Una do de eat them. Bastards. Enters. Operation pursue all of you now. Why ya? Right wing, left wing, middle wing. Keno that day. Keno ono ye left wing. Keno ono ye back. Why ya? My sweep one. My do start afresh. My do ateme kia. That time people go they wash. Re-account go they comment. They know they fear una hypocrisy. Now na pursue everybody enter fake accounts. Now na pursue them enter fake accounts. That time Facebook go come clean. We want purify Facebook. After we don't pursue all those by force nudies. We want proper nudies that can show themselves. Not be that one na they tie ghetto. Proper nudies we not they put ghetto under. We need them. Proper one. Operation pursue the nudies. So mami o pack when or kweni yo toto kwen o pack or when natural no. Mami we are me comment where we vani. Umata me na guakara. Voje shasket. Umagwe go. Umagwe no gwenwe. Ovyo gbedo ati gugwan. Ovyo sule no gbo ohun e okin ati gugwan. Nyana sue kon ko je won we ba boy la wegbe. E we hian seti gugwan. Who go to what to social media? All of you never reach 1 year. All of you now. It never even reach 3 months. If I bought a viva bow where Sameru eren leluwa. Because I say new things that commenters they like, not be for me. I know they do nonsense. That's why when I come out, I carry prick for my mama hand. I can't carry my toto for my papa hand. Now I say na prick and toto, I can't say. Una hypocrisy is not my problem. Because me are the fuck. Now the fucking I can't say. Now I carry prick for my papa hand. I use mama hand, I use my papa hand to carry my toto. Now I bring her on social media. Say now they say. I don't want una hypocrisy. Well, una go shit, una go lick am. Now I start my own business. Una say we are one for conduan. It denu washa. Everybody will saga me. Iwa bo ala wagbe denu wa. It denu wa. It denu wa. New generational prophetess. They come for now. Me don't repent to since I know the open press. I want to pursue the nudies and the hypocrite enter us. I'm here to pursue the nudies. The nudies, new one day now where don't they open, it don't they pack breasts. If they pack on, it wear short skirts. Right? One are not let me rest. One are they report my accounts. One are not let me rest. All of you Ogun jejeje. E konko nari o figmonji. Nari biji. Nari o rueba. E ya solu warere. Ya ka seke no waje. E ba me are no wa. Na mi wan comfort na. I'm here to pursue the nudies by force nudies enter us. Nudies where they open breast. I want to see your stomach. Without waist trainer, I want to see your belly. I want to see it. Without waist trainer. So may you just join the club, not be by force nudies. We want proper nudies. We go wear net, but let no go be like this. Oh, yeah? Now we want. You can't join the club. Sarah no go take you. Me no go accept you. Enters! Take about Ekia. Ekia. You do live video finish, they cost me. Your husband go carry bola follow you. Una go die on top of fucking. All of una will talk to me. You Ekia queen. You be Ekia queen. You dirty Ekia. Talking about Ekia on Facebook. You do finish, man go fuck you. You talk to me finish, woman go open toto for you. You say go better for you. If I can't allow why I bok. If I na motien, you go lie egbe ne o. Emi na uve koko revo la janvi dagbo. Oh la janvi dag. Efa la wagbe. Efa. Amefo. Amefo. Ivierio, you break, come out from bondage, Abi, like you said. Good, but keep your mouth shut, oh. Anybody where you break, come out from bondage, you can't say, na Kate say me talking like that. I go use your head to pound. I go pound down. I'll pound down with your head. With your head. You hear me? If you just break out, just shut up. If you want to talk for the rest people, I beg, no add me. Not say easy. No vessel. Now that easy empire say make a curse you. If you talk on, you are gone. You are gone. You better just leave me. If I allow Wagbe, you leave me. I don't want to involve. If you call my name, they say now the first because now abroad you did. Now abroad now you did. You run come on for madam. As some the person say me you run. If you go do a shower, you share money into two. Not be person, they show you how to share money into two. Not be person. The first day when I go a shower road, I had 150 euro. First day of a shower for Italy, I had 150 euro inside Toto. Not be person show me. Now your head. So no come tell me. Say na so this gang say me you do. Now this person say make I do. Now commenters push me. If you are a pushover, you don't know how to do saga. If you're a pushover, you don't know how to be in a group. You have to have the sense of your own. Because they not say may you go die, may you really die. All right? Say, oh yeah, it's your turn to die. You're going to say, I need to die. I love our group. And when you're letting I know, say that group, I love her. And I want to die for them. You go die. You not go do one. You not go do one. You hear? All of you now. We don't know what happen. Wana muhe, wana munyamu. Waya, notice I get any problem with personal person, one person. No, all of them. No. I dey see Rita people fake account. No, Mona no bother my sister and my brother way high for fake account. Why worry? Inya ya no idenia mere club iropa. Maybe me fake account in igbina me. Fake account wa igbina me ni wa boela wa gbe wa damoin wa lao. Don't do it, please. Don't bully anybody for me. Igekpe se no yegbo. Ose yaka uwe no eborito. Yaka sekenuje, ima sekenuje. Wo ya gben ye wo, abi. Wo la de ona wo me video, una wa do tai. Wo la de ona wo ya kulo boyo wi wo he. Ide no waya. Waya fe. Iya gbe. Bita wewe. Bita when I dey beat your mama, your eye go dey red. Tasha, when I dey beat your papa, your eye go dey red. Ide no wa waya. Waya fe. Why make a mistake? What do not accuse me for? Mona do one. You know, for this Facebook, now me be sense. I don't use anybody matter say, Mona come oh. So let's say not be my papa again. No. I carry a kia for my hand. I carry use my hand. Take carry toto. Now carry on social media. While they care, while do a prick and toto come and pie. I not reach where any of una day. If una make the same mistake when I accuse me of, I am coming for all of you. I am coming. Just mistakenly fall from your grace. I am coming for you. I am coming. I am one man squad. Universal. Yeah, so in British English, in by now so I tell me here. Now the whole nation they follow me. I don't need particular Benin people or Edo people to follow me. No. Don't worry. Ekia to no get enemy. Once I start my class, I start on. No verse. Half of my followers are from other places, not be Nigeria. Okay? You know when you go inside Facebook, you look your insights. You get to see people where they follow you. So no worry. No panic for me. Okay? One just fall from grace. Oh, ya mi be ni regbe guye. E u ya mi Why ya fe no bumegwa. I don't get problem with one particular person. Why I do alelu wa doing ya lay fe kaka. Rita gang come and stay yeah. Manika group come and stay yeah. Oh, organic family. Oh, Sunday children. All of them come and support. I may support Maropa. When Maropa support, it didn't know why ya fe fall from grace. By mistake, fall from grace of what you accuse me for. Then you go no as fire the kitotis. Ya rob yewe, ya tie boy, ya tiogun. We must swear ni wukia who weka. Cause you are bogu wa pump with social media now. You are capable of it. She get fake accounts everywhere. She get fake accounts everywhere. You too, you don't recruit people for fake accounts. She said, "Me, women not work. Make them sit down for us. You two go come and you can't do video. Women, not give man money. Work and enjoy it. Or don't work at all. Just sit in the house. Or work hard. Work hard. All of you now. They want to do video. You want console. You talk nonsense. Next tomorrow you do video. You they talk the same thing where you beat person for. It has to stop. It has to stop. It has to. If you not get topic, carry to come out. Just say, this is how I suck my husband's bola. I want you to suck it, hold it like this. When you hold my bola, you chest back, you balance, call on daddy, and start licking. You go see viewers. They go watch you. Carry your husband bola, carry and come out. They go watch you. Instead of trying to choke another person to cut traffic to your platform. To cut traffic for your platform. Make people they clap for you. You are right. I feel hate time. I not feel like myself. I thought I say yeah, the smell. I thought I say toto the smell. Topicless. Don't have topic. Nothing. Now another person. Hey, what did they say happened day before yesterday? I need to call Solora. More con talk. Hey. Oh yeah, you and you. Message to enemy. That's what we are doing. What are you doing? Lawa. Lawa. Walawa. Do we know? By your social media, deactivate account way. All of una way talk to me. Mona not fall from grace. Oh, why they in grace? Because I didn't know. I they look that one and I breast they open. I leave on. Today we want try and say na small night till they start. You understand? When a new come out at the pack breast. I not to do like that kind of like the next year throw it breast. Now small till they start. Small. You the pack breast now. I'ma show you how they take the pack breast. This one too big. I for say man, you can't put your breast, push on. Can't put her under. You they do now small. Before you know it now, you go wear top like this. With your breast down. You can't improve. Can't put your low waist down tomorrow. Can't they see your yash. Before you know, you go shop. You say, I like this thing. I just want to wear her. Swimming trunk. Pinafore. I just wear her. You can't like video. People will see my lap. They'll know say I'm fan. Even in that day, no. On your pants and bra. No wawu lawa. Ia day do sogo we. It do sogo we boy no tie uidioe. Uidio bien. All we ko oiladian. And when we're packing, all men walk on this sambana, may tell them I get fat ass. Some my yash the bounce. Who no one show this one? Say water. That's why they show them off. They call customer puts. You show your own now. Now down for answer you. Okay, so next week you work here. You tabi it denoué. Hypocrites. Kill all of you now from A to Z.